my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite pre-poo, as well as my pre-poo routine and what I do to prep my hair before wash day. With this pre-poo, this is the fastest way I can detangle my hair, condition my hair, restore moisture, and minimize breakage. And it is one that I'm definitely going to stick with and use every time I do my wash day to detangle my hair and to get the moisture back into my hair. And like I said, it does really help to minimize the breakage of my hair. So I really love this pre-poo. So let me show you the pre-poo I'm talking about. So I have the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Poo Shampoo. This pre-poo helps to minimize breakage for natural coils and curls. It contains no mineral oils, no parabens, no sulfates, and no petrolatum. And it also contains coconut water that helps strengthen hair and restores the moisture. This product has the most wonderful smell to it. It smells so good. I can definitely smell aloe vera and coconut in it. As you can see, the consistency of this pre-poo is slightly runny, but it's also thick at the same time. And it also gives really great coverage, so you don't have to use a lot of this product for your hair. It's very penetrating. It has a lot of slip, gives a lot of coverage, and it just clings to every strand of your hair and immediately starts melting away the dryness and the tangles of your hair. But this pre-poo is everything and more. Like, it's like the best pre-poo ever, and this is one I will recommend to anybody. This product is very penetrating. It has amazing slip, and it leaves your hair super soft, super moisturized. It's almost like a custard. I guess I can kind of compare this to like a custard. The way that it just coats my hair and the way that it defines my curls. It's almost kind of like a custard. It leaves great curl definition, and it almost looks like you have a wash and go, but it's just the pre-poo that's in your hair. So this stuff is really amazing. I got this at my local beauty supply store. You can get it at any local beauty supply store in your area. It's greatly helped in my wash day. So before I start shampooing and going through that whole routine, this helps me to set my hair and prep my hair, get it all detangled, get all the shedding out, to help my hair be more manageable. So it just really makes my whole wash day process so much easier. So I never try to just go right into doing my shampoo, because that can just tangle up my hair and cause more breakage than necessary. Because sometimes I try to do my detangling when I'm shampooing, and depending on what type of shampoo I'm using, some shampoos just don't like to detangle easily in my hair. So right now I have my hair in this puff. I just have it pulled up here, pinned up some kind of way. But anyway, my hair is dry. It's soft, but it is very dry at the same time. Now, me personally, I don't put any water on my hair before I pre-poo. I just put this product right on my hair, and it's got enough moisture, it has enough slipation or whatever you want to call it, to soften my hair and just get through the tangles without having to put water on my hair first. Now, it does state on here that if you have especially dry and tangled hair, like really dry tangled hair, you want to leave the product on between 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing it out. So you do have to rinse this product out, of course, and then just follow it up with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. I actually like to leave this pre-poo on my hair for that length of time, if not longer, because I love the way it feels on my hair, and I also love the way my hair feels after I rinse it out. It's super soft, super moisturized, and my hair just feels so nourished afterward. Okay, so that's enough rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into using this pre-poo. I'm gonna show you how I use it. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like in the process of me using it, and how fast it starts to detangle my hair and define my hair at the same time. So without further ado, let's get started.
Your point is an elephant.
washing the Pre-Poo out of my hair, and my hair feels super soft, very moisturized, and it is nice and detangled and ready and prepped for my washing. So I'm going to of course do that off camera and style my hair off camera. So again, my hair feels really soft and just very conditioned, very moisturized. So just real quickly, I'll just show you the products I'm going to be using to wash my hair, which is going to be from IVISII. So I have the scalp care shampoo and the scalp care conditioner. These two have gotten to be my favorite products to use for my wash day. So I've been reaching for these two items in particular just about every wash day. So those products have been working really great for my hair. But again, I just wanted to show you the Pre-Poo from African Pride and just how I love this product so much. I just want to share with you guys. I've shown it in past videos, but I've never really talked about it and did a thorough review on it. And I wanted to do that since it was wash day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. And definitely check out this Pre-Poo. All the product claims are true with this Pre-Poo. It's moisturizing, it's conditioning, it detangles, and it definitely restored the moisture. I think the price on it was like $5.99 for it. So very affordable. And I can get several uses out of it because it doesn't take a lot. So I hope you guys again enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's just Janine, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.